So guys, ay sir no, ito yung ATM gamit ang Java Eclipse. So ito yung code. So try natin i-run. Yun, ilagay natin yung user, then password, then login. Boom, login successful. So check muna natin yung balance. Meron tayong 100 pesos na balance. Try natin mag-deposit 1,000. Boom, successful, no? So i-withdraw natin siya. Withdraw tayo 1,000. Boom. Yung balance natin ulit is 500 na lang. So yun lang. Thank you.